Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for you. In 2 minutes, we're going to explore how you can sell AI-generated images online to earn some extra income. If you're ready, let's dive right in. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what AI-generated images are. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has the ability to create incredibly realistic and unique images using deep learning algorithms. So, how can you tap into this cutting-edge technology to make money online? The first step is to make research and discover your niche. Start by researching popular image categories and niches that have a high opportunity to be liked. Identify a niche that interests you and aligns with your artistic style. And the second step is to set up your AI image generation system. Choose a reliable AI image generation platform or software. There are various options available, such as Midjourney, DALL-E 2, and Stable Diffusion, which are kings in generating AI images. This was an introduction to ways and process to use. So, now let's start making money real process. If you have finished to choose a niche and generated images using Midjourney or Stable Diffusion, the next thing is to simply type in your browser a website for selling our images called Alarmy. But before we continue, let me tell you that I made a video showing step-by-step how to generate images using Midjourney and Stable Diffusion. Please go to watch to understand how it works. So let's continue by searching Alarmy website. Alarmy offers a user-friendly and intuitive interface that allows you to easily set up your own online store and start selling your images within minutes. As you can see here, there are many AI-generated images sold within this website. The best part is that it sells your images. What you only need to do is to upload your AI-generated images only, and it does the rest. Alarmy gives you only 50% of benefits from your images, and the rest are for them. Simply create. You need to own account as a seller and start making money online by text to images and then images to cash. Let's continue the process. To register, tap here, choose create account as a seller. Well, let's create account. Now we need to fill in the given form by names, email address, password, and more required. Then register. Start your journey as an image seller on Alarmy and unlock the potential of your artistic talent while earning a fair income from your passion. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop a comment to discuss, please. Thank you for watching.